This one which I'm about to bring to you today, you can easily earn as much as 300,000 Naira. Yes, you heard that's right. That's almost $200 per day. Of course, I've been cooking this for a long time, almost 1 month now. I have been testing this, and that is why I have not posted, because I just wanted to test this and I wanted to give it to you very hot, just for you to know that this actually works. It actually works 100%. And if you stay with me in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything I did on this particular game website and how I'm able to earn as much as 300,000 or even more than, because I see people on the platform who are more bold than me and they are even earning more than that. So without wasting so much time, I am going to jump to my screen now and I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, and we are going to be doing it live. So it's going to be live. It's not like I already recorded this video. It's going to be live and you are going to see everything which you need to do. And of course, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a tip how you can easily earn as much as 300,000 from this particular website. My name is Akere Emuluwa. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because you don't want to miss the next video. And of course, there are many videos which are already made just for you and how you can actually earn online. So let's jump to my PC now. Let me share my screen with you and let's just do this very quickly. So I believe you can actually see my screen right now, and the website which you are going to be earning almost 300,000 Naira from is from this website called bcgame.ng. Yes, bcgame.ng. If you come to the website, it's so clean. I just like the website because it's so clean, and actually you there's no ad popping up everywhere, and then you can actually see how clean it is. So before we go, let me quickly change this language to English so you can actually understand what is going on in English, because it was on Dutch, it was on German for me. So let me change to English. Okay, now we are on English, or we are in English, whatever it is. So you can see from this website, you can see casino, sports, lottery, and everything. We are going to be going on casino because that is where we are going to be making the money from. But before I actually show you, let me just show you how true this is, just for you to be sure that okay, this guy is not lying to me. So I'm going to be going on my profile and I'm going to click on transaction. When I click on transaction, you can see my deposit. So I actually deposited 15k and also 10k. That's 25k. This one I wanted to deposit it and I think I missed it. That was my first time and I didn't get it. So these are my two deposits. So now let me show you how much I've actually withdrawn from this website. You see the deposit is 25k, and let me show you how much I have actually withdrawn from this website, just for you to know that this is not a lie. So withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, you can see my first withdrawal on this website. You can also see the date 17/11/2024, 50,000. Another withdrawal 17/11 again, the same day, 30,000. That is 80,000 Naira. Another withdrawal again 27/11, 100,000. You see that? And another withdrawal 70,000. Remember, I only deposited 25k. With 25k, I have actually withdrawn all this, and this is because I only withdraw this little because because I have a busy and I don't even have time to do this almost every day. So now that you see that withdrawal is possible, and by the time you withdraw in less than 4 minutes, they actually deposited this into your account. You can see this, you can see, and so fast, like in less than 4 minutes the money is in your bank. Of course, they are going to charge you some fee. You see this one I withdraw 70,000 Naira and they charge me 1,677. That is their own charges, which is actually fair. And so you see, so now that you've seen that I was able to withdraw from this website and everything works fine. So now let me take you to the game. So if you click on the casino, when you click on the casino, and then you have all these games which are going to come up, and then you are going to see Crash. You see this is a game I've been playing. It's called Crash. It's called Crash Casino. Right now 3,959 people are online and they are playing this game. You see how this game is. So before we go into that, you can see here you have your balance. I have 2,000 Naira from my deposit which is left, and if you want to deposit, you can actually click on deposit, and when you click on deposit, you have all this. And depositing also takes less than 5 minutes. You just choose the one which is best for you, and then you can just make the transfer into the account. They are going to confirm it almost immediately, and you can actually start playing your game immediately. So I have 2,000 2,000 naira. So let's just jump into the game. So let's click on crash. So when you get into crash, this is how it actually works. It's just about you guessing. It's just about you guessing. Now you see up here, I'm going to click this. Up here, this is what you are predicting when this particular thing is going to crash. You can see how many people, you can see this person actually put 3 million just for the next crash, and this person just won 312,000, and that is actual. So you can see this line which is moving, all you need to do is just to predict when is it going to crash. You can see it's green right now. At what odd is going to crash. So at what odd which is going to crash, that is what you get. So this is the amount which you are going to bet. So I'm just going to start with let me just start with something little because I'm just showing you this. So 50. So I'm betting 50 naira, and this is when it's going to crash. So I can say this is going to crash at 2. So if I say this is going to crash at 2, so when I click on next bet, so once this line goes red, that is when it's crash. You can see this one goes red at 15.7. So 15.7 times your 15 naira, that is what you get. So if you put 10,000 naira, it's going to be 15.10,000. So this one is crashed at 1.3. You see how it's going. So I'm going to bet this one. I predict it's going to crash. I'm going to click on bet. So when I click on bet, even though I predict it's going to crash at 2, I can actually stop the crash whenever I feel like. So now it's going, I predicted 2. You can see my money is reading. So I can actually stop right now at 1.5. You see, I was almost there because I didn't press it on time. It actually ended at 1.5. So you see, that is how it actually works. I'm going to bet this next one again just to show you again. You see, my auto cash out is still on 2. And you see, it actually ended at 1.02. So you can start little and then you can just analyze it here. If you click here, you will see the previous one. If it's green, you see, you can see the previous one and how they actually crash. So with this, you can actually analyze, okay, the next one, this is going to crash at what odd. But it's always better for you to have little odd. So I'm going to bet this one again, 50. And you see, it's still on auto crash. Even if it's still on auto cash out, I can still end it whenever I like. You see, this one I just ended it at 1.27 word, and I just made 1.67, and you can see it has even gone more than 2, which I actually place it. So you can even place it here 100 odd, which is fine. You can place 100 odd here, and then you can always click by yourself here to cancel. So you can put it auto and you can put it to cancel. So now it's on 100. I'm going to bet the next one again. So I'm going to bet the next one, and you see it's on 100, but I'm going to end it before 100. Yeah, I'm going to end it for sure before 100 because I don't want it to just crash. So I'm going to end it now. I ended it at 1.49, and you see I end 74 naira. You see, it didn't even go to 2. So this is how you actually make money here. So what I will tell you is, I told you if you are going to wait till the end, I'm going to show you the trick of what to do. The trick is stay with lower odds. Don't go for 5, 10, 15, 20, or else if you have this strong belief that this is going to go up to 2, as you can see on the screen, this next one is also going more than 2. It's almost getting to 3, and you can actually increase your money here. So if I increase my money here to maybe 100 naira, I can even increase it to 1,000 depending on your balance. You have your balance up here. Which you are watching. So if you go more than your balance, if your balance finishes, you have to deposit again, and then you start betting again. So that is how it actually works. You can see, and if you come here, you see your history, how much you've earned. You see your history, you see your betting history and how it's going. So that is how. So I'm going to bet this one again. I put 100 naira. Okay, I wasn't fast enough. You see, it said my bet is suspended because I wasn't fast again. If I have bet this, my 1.3 odds will have actually come out. And one more thing you should know is you can actually place your bet here on 1.3. So for you to be sure that before you click, because it's counting in seconds, sometimes before you press on cancel, it's already cancelled. So now I put 1.3 for you to crash at 1.3. I'm going to bet this one. I place 100 naira on it, and let's see. You see my name is here, Akere, 100 naira, which I actually bet. So let's see. It's going 21.3. Yes, 1.3. That is 130 naira. So that is how you continue doing it until you are able to accumulate much. You see how simple this is. This is how simple. If you're smart enough, if you are not so greedy with it, you can actually earn. And by the time you actually accumulate so much, 10,000, 50,000, you can actually just withdraw it out. Yeah, and that is how I play. I'm going to be putting the link in the description. I'm going to put the link in the description just for you to be able to actually use my link to actually register. Of course, you also make money from referral. If you register with my link, you get some bonus. You get some bonus for actually register with my link. And right after you register, if you also share your link to somebody, they also get some bonus for registering with your link, and you also get some bonus. So that is how it works on this website. And that is how, so you can see how much people are earning. People are even putting millions of naira for the next crash. But this is if you actually have the money. But let me tell you one trick. If you place 10,000 naira and then you bet that it's going to end at 1.3, because I always love to use 1.3 because this is safer, and you place it's going to end at 1.3, you just put it's going to end at 1.3 and you place 10,000 naira, that is actually 3,000 naira gain for you. So if you do this like 3 times, you see 3,000 naira, that is almost 9,000. That's almost 9,000, and that is sizable. So use the lesser. You can use 1.3, 1.50. 2 is always a risk, but it depends on your belief and the analysis of the game. You need to analyze it also, and that is how it actually works on this website. So this is everything which I want to bring to you today. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Also share this video with somebody, because it's almost Christmas and everybody needs this money. So you can play this game also on your phone. You don't need to use your laptop. You can play it on your phone. Just go to the same link, click on the same link on your phone, register, and then you can actually play it on your phone browser. And that is everything. My name is Akere. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Until I catch you on the next one, stay cool. Enjoy the holidays. Bye for now.